This is a throwing game I call Feed the Frogs. In Feed the Frogs, there are two teams on each side of the room. Each side of the room has two rows of cones, one here, and in between the cones is a river. And there are two fishing poles on each side. There are two mats Velcro together to form a circle. And there are three cones on each side. Each cone has a small or even a medium-sized dice on it. The object of the game is to throw the flies into the mat area, and you're trying to score as many flies as possible. That means you fed as many frogs as possible. Also, along with throwing the flies into the other team's mats, you can score bonus points. So if you knock a dice off the cone, it stays down and gets placed on the edge. So in this situation, they have 2 bonus points added to their score. So that's only if you knock a dice off the cone. Now, in front of the cones and the mats, there are fly swatters. The fly swatters are used to block the ball. So they come in handy, especially in front of the mat when students try to swat the flies away from the mats or swat the flies away from the cones. At the end of the round, we count up the number of flies that are inside the mats and combine that with the total number from the dice, add the dice together, and that is the final score. One more thing I need to mention, any ball that goes in the river is in a neutral zone, and the only way to get a ball out of the river is by using a fishing pole. So students grab the fishing pole, they reach in the center, they pull the fly out of the water, and then try to throw it into the opposing team's mats. That is Feed the Frogs. Hope you enjoy. Ready, guys? Fly swatters ready? Go!